The budget smartphone segment in the Indian market has just got two new competitors. This is Infinix Hot 4 Pro, priced at Rs 7499, and this is Infinix Note 4, priced at Rs 8999. Both of these handsets will be available exclusively on Flipkart by 3rd of August. And these handsets offer you big battery units, fingerprint scanners, and dedicated micro SD card slots. Yes, you heard it right. These under 10,000 rupees smartphones offer you dedicated micro SD card slot, a feature which is not very common in the Chinese smartphones. Let me tell you that Infinix is a part of Transsion Holdings, a Chinese company which is also known for its Tecno and itel branded smartphones selling in the Indian market. I'm Rohit Arora from Gizbot, and in this video we are going to show you the highlight features of these two handsets. So let's get started. So guys, here we have both the handsets with us. The handset on the right is the Hot 4 Pro and the handset on the left is the Infinix Note 4. As I mentioned, both the handsets offer you dedicated microSD card slots and big battery units. Now the rear panels on both of these handsets are removable. Let me just remove the rear panel of the Infinix Hot 4 Pro and I'll show you the big battery unit that this removable rear panel packs in. So here we have a 4000 mAh battery unit, 2 SIM card slots and one dedicated micro SD card slot. You also get the same thing on the Note 4. Here we have the removable rear panel, a big 4300 mAh battery unit, 2 SIM card slots and one micro SD card slot. So if you buy these handsets, you will definitely get a long lasting battery backup and no compromise on connectivity and storage part. Let me just show you what else we have got here on these two handsets. So coming on to the other features of this smartphone, the Infinix Note 4, the bigger one, offers you a 5.7-inch Full HD screen. A screen of this ratio and Full HD resolution is not very common when you pay an amount of rupees 10,000. Here we have fingerprint scanner located under the display, and on the Hot 4 Pro, the fingerprint scanner is positioned on the rear panel just under the camera. So both of these handsets come with fingerprint scanners, and here we have the micro USB charging ports and speaker units positioned on the Note 4. Speakers are provided on the rear panel on the Hot 4 Pro. On the right side we have the volume rockers and power button, and the left side is completely empty. And up top we have the 3.5mm headphone jack on both of these handsets. These handsets are not very sleek, but they have tapered edges just like we have on the Note 4, which makes the handset quite comfortable to hold in everyday usage. And let me tell you that these handsets are not very light, but their build quality is quite good and you get a robust design with these handsets. These are composite metal, not the all metal design that you get with Xiaomi and Honor smartphones, but they are still quite sturdy. The Note 4 runs on the latest Android 7.0 Nougat, and the Hot 4 Pro runs on the 6.0 Marshmallow, which is quite dated. And the Hot 4 Pro offers you a 16GB of internal memory that can be expanded by up to 128GB with the help of dedicated microSD card slot. The Note 4 comes with 3GB of RAM, and there is 32GB of internal memory that can be expanded by up to 128GB with the help of micro SD card slot. The weak point is that both of these handsets run the MediaTek processor, which is considered not very fast. However, we will give our final verdict once we review the handset in the coming week. Both of these handsets comes preloaded with a number of applications. The company is offering XOS, which is known as their customized skin deployed on the Android OS. And here we have all the applications that you get with XOS customized layer. You get a heavily loaded theme store where you can customize the look and feel of your smartphone. You also get a cloud storage application which is known as xCloud. Besides, there is X Security, there is X Theme, there is X Manager, User Guide, X Account, and a number of other applications. So if you like stock Android experience, then these handsets are not built for you, because they come preloaded with a number of applications and the UI is also very customized. But I am using the Infinix Note 4 from last 2 days and the user experience is not bad. haven't noticed any app crashes, and the smartphones runs quite smoothly. You can just change the wallpaper of your smartphone by clicking on this X Shuffle, and you also get a freezer application where you can just store your application, and this feature will stop the background data, so the application stored in the X freezer will not consume the data. Talking about the cameras on both of these handsets, we have a 13 megapixel rear camera, and there is an 8 megapixel camera on the Note 4 front camera, and we have a 5 megapixel front camera on the Hot 4 Pro. The feature that I really liked about the Note 4 is the customizable LED flash. Yes, the front camera comes with an LED flashlight that is customizable. You can customize the intensity of the flashlight, which is quite rare, and we haven't seen this kind of feature. So you can control the intensity of the light here. As you can see, we have strong, we have medium, and we have weak. So there are instances where where you are clicking pictures in pitch dark condition, and the bright intensity light of the LED bulb can overexpose the image. However, in this handset you can customize it, which is a very neat and thoughtful feature. We will talk more about the camera, the MediaTek processing power, and the other features of these handsets in the coming week when we will review them. This was pretty much everything about the new smartphones from Infinix, which is a part of Tecno, which is a part of Transient Holdings, a Chinese company. And you just saw the first impressions of Infinix mobiles. Do let us know about how do you like this video or not. You can subscribe our Gizbot YouTube channel for the latest videos in the world of technology. This is Rohit Arora signing off. Have a good day.